death penalty as an issue that has returned to the agenda is one that has a long history, of course, in the Philippines.
If the justice system is not capable of delivering fair and impartial justice, then no country can lawfully impose the death penalty, even as the death penalty is a legitimate part of their law.
And we see no point in all facets in restoring the death penalty.
If we focus on one problem, which is the drug problem, only 1 in 10 actually want the death penalty or think that the death penalty will solve the drug problem.
If you really cannot take a stand against the death penalty, just don't support it.
The right to life is essential to human rights.
Mas epektibo po na buhay po sila na pinarurusahan. Maramdaman nila yung consequence po na nagawa nilang mali. So, ang parusang kamatayan po ay hindi makatao.
We should not give a mass murderer more license to kill. No to death penalty. That's a statement of Secretary Laila M. De Lima.
The illegal drug market in the Philippines is afflicted by 2 major types of dangerous drugs.
We can't make problems disappear like drugs, but we can try to manage them to reduce the harms to people, to society.
The people, mostly the poor, are being killed without due process. I do not have yung luxury na sound because I work with a still camera. Hindi yung gusto ko pakita sa mga litrato ko eh. Gusto ko makapture din yung eksena, screams ng family.
We can never solve these problems unless we fix our justice system.
For what purpose do we want it? Do we really want justice or do we really want to just perpetuate the hate? This is the kind of dialogue we want to engage in when we try to get people to our side. No to death penalty. Maraming salamat sa inyo.